What have we got here?
Well, it's still got, there's still quite a bit of Bandai. So we've got this new series that comes from the a new anime series called 86. So from what I can gather, 86, like a lot of these anime, it's all about bad guys and good guys.
Yes.
There's always bad guys and good
Obviously.
guys. Okay. Now, who Lena is, I don't know, but she looks pretty good. So you got a figure. So this figure is part of the Figure Rise series, so they're all jointed and you can pose them. And then over here we've got the Juggernauts, and these look like a, I don't know, creepy four-legged spider type thing with a big gun. So one of those is one of her rides, and then the other one is a general purpose one. So this is really interesting because it's all brand new. Not really interesting because they release stuff that's popular over in Japan. I really have no idea about it here. So you might be able to just see a little bit of detail here from the series.
That's it. And then we've got this one here.
So how about we look inside Lena?
Yes.
All right, so she's got this semi sort of sailor-inspired outfit. I reckon.
Very
Semi-steampunky looking. So this gives you the idea of a modern Bandai type figure kit. Okay, so you get your multi-colored sprue, which is quite impressive. This is one of the specialist manufacturing features of Bandai. You got a section of stickers here. Now this particular one also comes with various faces with various expressions. So I don't know if a lot of people know. You can see how it's articulated with sections for the legs and arms. These are quite often used for stop motion animation. Yeah. So if you want to get into that yourself, this is the easiest way. Because, you know, being able to change expressions, and then changing hands and overall pose, it's really clever. So this is a section of the hair here. It's quite interesting how they've been able to design the molding, because that's one color of purple, but as you look at it, it looks like there's multiple tones in there.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's probably because of the density of that particular tone. Okay, so there's also a clear stand there. So obviously, you know, it helps it stay in place with all the different poses. You got a dress here, her chest, various leg parts, and you see there's a lot of ball joints. See the bottoms of the shoes with the heels. Yeah, heel shoes. Yeah. And then here you got some blue sections, and so the blue section is basically her suit.
And you can see it's really well designed. There's quite a bit of detail there.
Yeah. So there's the edges like
I don't know how you call it that, but like trimming joints.
Yeah. So you got the arms there as well, in the various colors.
Different shoes colors. So you have white shoes and
blue.
And blue, actually, different colors. So there's probably different outfit that you can actually have her on. So there's
you probably get a better idea from here, I guess.
Yeah, definitely.
So I guess if we hold her up like this. Okay, so you can see her in her various poses across here. So you can get her into some pretty dynamic, and then here it's showing you the three different facial expressions.
Yeah.
And you've got options. She's got the hat you can put on her or leave it off. You can see her just holding her hat there. She's also got a notebook. You know, you're always going to carry your notebook around. And then that's the vehicle that she drives, which is one of the ones that we've got over here.
That's pretty cool.
So that's a Series 86. So pretty funky looking.
Nice.
So Japanese always come out with some interesting
stories and series.
Yeah, that's right. So apart from that, we've got some Gundam as well.
Yes.
So it was a pretty massive haul of stuff. So we've got this very new Jin.
Yeah.
So that's Jin right there.
Jin.
So Jin in Master Grade. So Master Grade, it's quite big. It's a 1:100 scale kits. Again, if you're not familiar with Gundam, these are fully posable as well.
That's right.
Warwick gets into a lot of this sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And he does a really good job of it too. And we've got Jin, and then we've also got Z. So with the Z, we've actually got that in a full set with the Penelope. It's a massive box just out the front. So it's the fighting mode. Maybe I should have brought one of those, but it's pretty massive.
Huge.
Yeah. I guess if anyone wants to see it, I can always grab it.
Grab it.
Yeah. Let me know if you want to see it. So those two, they're all available in the shop now.
That's right.
Yeah.